Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? Hope all of you will be fine. Here is our countdown, book 3. Now open your countdown. Students, today we are going to solve the questions on page number 96. Students, as we are doing the exercise of chapter number 2, that is number operations. Today we are going to solve question number 14, that is of division. So students, today we are going to divide all of these questions. Okay, let's start with our first part A, in which we are dividing 296 by the number 2. Students, as you are copying all of these questions on your notebook, so here I am writing it on your notebook. You will write exercise first and then question number 14. Here is our first part of question number 14. Students, look at this. First of all, we are going to compare our divisor with the first digit of our dividend. Now students, 2 ones are 2. Here I am writing 1. 2 ones are 2. In the next step, that is of subtraction. Students, I am gonna subtract these. This line is showing the subtraction. Next students, I am taking this 9 down here. Okay, and here I am showing this to you by using an arrow. Okay, now students, 2 minus 2 is 0, so I have taken my second digit down here. Next is I'm gonna read the table of 2 until I got this number, or the number that is less from the 9. So 2 fours are 8. Next step is again subtraction. I'm gonna subtract 8 from the 9 and my answer is 1. Okay, next step is bringing down this 6 here. Now students, I am bringing this 6 down here. It will become the number 16. Now we are going to read the table of 2 till the number 16. Look students, this one was smaller from my divisor, so I took this 6 down here. Okay, so students, read the table of 2 till the 16. Yes, very good. 2 8s are 16. Very good, we have solved it. So students, what is our quotient of this question? The quotient of this question is 148 and our remainder is 0 or the no remainder. Okay, the next is part B, in which we are going to divide 464 by the number 4 in this way. Okay students, let's divide with the first digit. 4 ones are 4. Here I am writing the 4 down here. Next step is subtraction. So we have to bring 4 minus 4 is 0. So we have to bring this 6 down here. So students, this is the 6. Now 4 twos are 8. I can't write the 8 here. So I have to write again 1. 4 ones are 4. Next step is subtraction. So students, when I am subtracting 4 from the 6, here I am marking the line to show you. Okay, 4 minus 6, so our answer is 2. So students, look at this. This 2 is smaller from my divisor, so I am taking this 4 down here. Now the digit will be 24. So students, read the table of 4 until we get this number 24. Yes, 4 6 are 24. So students, what is the remainder after this? Here we left with no remainder or the 0. Okay, so students, quotient of this question is 116. Next is the part C, in which we are going to divide 651 by the number 3. Now students, let's compare our divisor with the dividend. This first digit is bigger from our divisor, so 3 twos are 6. We are going to divide it first. In the next step, that is the subtraction. 6 minus 6 is 0, so I am taking this 5 down here. Now students, this 5 is bigger from my divisor, so 3 2s are 6, so 6 will become bigger. I am writing 3 1s are 3 down here, okay. In the next step, when I am going to subtract 3 from the 5, then my answer is 2. Now this 2 is being smaller from my divisor, so I have to take this one down here. It will become 21, okay. Read the table of 3 till the number 21. Yes, we get the number 21 in the table of 3 by 3 sevens are. 3 sevens are 21. Now students, we're left with next step is subtraction, and in the subtraction we're left with the remainder 0. Okay. Now students, what is the quotient of this question? 217 is answer of this question. Next is part D, in which we are going to divide 580 by the divisor 2. Now students, let's read the table of 2 till the number 5. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 6 is being bigger, so 2 2s are 4. I am writing 2 2s are 4 down here, okay. Next step is subtraction, so I am going to subtract 5 and 4. 5 minus 4, and my answer is 1. Now students, this one is again smaller from my divisor, so I have to take this 8 down here in this way, okay. Now students, read the table of 2 till the number 18. Yes, 2 9s are 18. Here I am writing the number 18. Now let's subtract 18 from the 18, as our answer is 0. This 0, and we have to take this 0, the part of our dividend, down here. Now students, look at this. This 0 is the part of our dividend, so we have to multiply it with the divisor to take the 0, and then we will have the remainder. This one is not the remainder students, because this 0 is the part of our dividend, okay. 2 zeros are 0, okay. Now we can subtract it. 0 minus 0 is 0. You can write the 0 here or not. This one is not compulsory, okay. Now the remainder is 0. Now the question is completed, and our quotient is 290. Remember students, we can't take the part of the dividend as the remainder. We have to multiply our divisor with some digit to complete it, and then we get our remainder. Okay students, always remember this, okay. Next is the part E, in which we are going to divide 458 by the divisor 2. Let's divide it. Firstly, we are going to divide the hundreds. So students, 2 2s are 4. Here is our answer 4. So students, after this we are going to subtract 4 from the 4, and answer is 0. No need to write it here. So students, next step is taking our tens down here, that is the 5. So students, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Again we are writing the 4, because 2 3s are 6, and 6 will become greater from the 5. I can't write the greater word beneath the 5. So students, 5 minus 4 is 1. This one is become smaller from my divisor, so I am taking this 8 down here, okay. Now this 1 and 8 has become the number 18. Now students, you are going to read the table of 2 till the number 18. Yes, 2 9s are 18. Very good. Now the remainder is 0. It means that we have completed our question, and our quotient is 229. Look at the quotient. Next is part F. Here, comparing the first digits, 4 ones are 4. And in the next step, we are bringing this 7 down here. That is, look at this. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 will become greater. So I am writing 4 ones are 4 down here. Look at this, students. 7 minus 4 is 3. But this 3 is smaller from my divisor. So I have to take this third digit down here. That is the 2. So students, this will become 32. Read the table of 4 till the number 32. Yes, 4 8s are 32. Look, we have completed our question. 32 minus 32 and our remainder is 0, which means that we have completed our question and our quotient is 118. Student, next is the part G, 948 divided by the 3. So students, let's divide it. 9. First digit is 9. So 3 3s are 9 and remaining with the number here 0, and we are going to take this 4 down here. This 4 is greater from the 3, so we can write here 3 ones are 3. Lefting with the number 4 minus 3, it will become 1. So students, 1 is being smaller from the number 3, that is our divisor. So we will have to bring this 8 down here. Here I am showing it with an arrow. 18. So students, read the table of 3 till the 18. Yes, 3 5s are 15 and 3 6 are 18. Now students, we have completed our question because 18 minus 18 and our remainder is 0. Okay, what will be our quotient? Tell me. Yes, our quotient will be 316. Next is part H. 696 is being divided by the number 6. So students, as first digits are equal, so 6 ones are 6. And next is subtraction. 6 minus 6 is 0. So bring this 9 down here. And 6 twos are 12. I can't write the 12 here. So I have to write 6 ones are 6 again. And do the subtraction. 6 minus 9 is 3. This 3 is become smaller from my 6. I have to take this 6 down here. So students, this will become 36. Now read the table of 6 to get 36. Yes, 6 are 36. So simple. Now students, 36 minus 36 is 0. So our remainder is 0, which means that we have completed our question and our quotient is 116. Students, you are going to write all of these questions on your notebook like this in the neat process. Okay. Students, next is the part I, in which, look at this, the divisor and the first digit are the equal, so 5 ones are 5. Student, next step is subtraction. 5 minus 5 is 0, so we are going to bring this 9 down here. Students, 5 twos are 10. I can't write the 10 here, so it will become 5 ones are 5. Now students, in the next step, 9 minus 5, that is, tell me, that is the 4. Very good. Now this 4 is being smaller from my divisor. How can I write the divisor down here? So I have to bring this third digit of my dividend down here. It will become 45. Now students, read the table of 5 till I get the number 45. Yes, 5 9s are 45. Look, we got this number 45 in the table of the 5. Now students, 45 minus 45 and our remainder is 0, which means that we have completed our question and our quotient is 119. Next is our part J. Students, Firstly, we are going to compare our divisor and first digit of our dividend. So this one is bigger from our divisor and we can divide it. So 4 ones are 4. Can't write 4 here. 4 twos are 8. Yes, I can write 8 here. 4 twos are 8. Now students, in the next step, that is subtraction, 8 minus 8 is 0. So we are bringing down our second digit. This 5 is bigger from 4. So 4 ones are 4. Next step is again subtraction. 5 minus 4 is 1. This one is smaller from my divisor. So I have to write this third digit down here. This will become 12. Now students, read the table of 4 to get the number 12. Yes, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 and 4 threes are 12. Very good. 4 threes are 12. Look, we have solved it. Now 12 minus 12 is 0 remainder, which means that we have completed our question and our quotient is 213. Next is the part K. Students, let's compare the first digit and our divisor. 7 ones are 7. You can write it here. Next step is subtraction. 7 minus 7 is 0. So bring down this 9 here. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Can't write the 14 here, but I can write 7 ones are 7 here. So students, in the next step, that is subtraction. 9 minus 7 is 2. Here I am writing 2. This 2 is smaller from my divisor. Can't divide it further. What I will do? Yes, I will take this 8 down here and this will become 28. Now I can easily divide it on the table of 7. Read the table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21 and 7 fours are 28. Now students, 7 fours are 28. In the next step, 28 minus 28 and our remainder is 0. Now students, what is our quotient? Our quotient is 114. Next is the part L. Students, look at this. 3 is smaller from the first digit, so we can divide it. 3 twos are 6. Next step is subtraction. 6 minus 6 is 0. So we are bringing down our second digit here, that is 4. 4 is again bigger from our divisor, so we can write it as 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. So students, the second digit is bringing down here because this one is smaller from our divisor. So students, second digit is 2. This will become 12. So students, this 12 is bigger from the number 3. Read the table of 3 to get the number 12. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. Look, we get this number 12. 3 fours are 12. Now students, 12 minus 12 and our remainder is 0. So we have solved it completely and our quotient is 214. Here is the part M. Students, 2 threes are 6 and 6 minus 6 is 0. So bring this 7 down here and read the table of 2 to get the 7. Yes, 2 threes are 6 again because 2 fours are 8 that are bigger from the 7. So 7 minus 6 is 1 and let's bring the 4 down because this one is smaller from our divisor. Now this will become 14. Read the table of 2 to get the 14. Yes, 2 sevens are 14. I am writing the quotient upper here and the product of this quotient and my divisor here. This is 14. 14 minus 14 is 0. What is the quotient? Quotient is 337. Next is part N. 8 ones are 8. Now students, in the next step we are going to bring this 9 down here. 8 ones are 8 again. and 9 minus 8 is 1. Now students, this one is smaller from the 8. Bring the 6 down here. This will become the number 16. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So we have completed the number 16 and our remainder is 0, which means that we have completed our question and our quotient is 112. Here is the part O. Let's divide it. 6 ones are 6. Tell me the next step. 6 minus 6 is 0. So bring the 7 down. 6 ones are 6 again. 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring the 8 down because this one is smaller from the divisor. It will become 18. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12 and 6 threes are 18. Now students, in the next step, 18 minus 18 is 0, which means that our quotient is 113. Next is the part P. Students, 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So bring the 7 down here and 4 ones are 4 again. 7 minus 4 is 3. Now we have to bring this 6 down because this 3 is smaller from the divisor. Now this will become 36. Read the table of 4 to get 36. Yes, 4 nines are 36. Very good. Now students, 36 minus 36 is 0. And our quotient is 119. Next is the part Q. 5 ones are 5. And next step is subtraction. 5 minus 5 is 0. So bring the 7 down. So students, 5 twos are 10, can't write the 10, so I have to write 5 ones are 5 again. Now students, 7 minus 5 is 2. This 2 is become smaller from my divisor, so I have to bring down this 5 here. This will become 25. Read the table of 5 to get the number 25. Yes, 5 5s are 25. Now our remainder is 0. So students, our quotient is 115. Next is the part R. Here 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Bring the 5 down. 3 ones are 3. And in the next step, 5 minus 3 is 2. Bring the 7 down here. This will become 27. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24 and 3 nines are 27. Look, in the table of 3 we get the number 27 by the number 9. 27 minus 9 and our remainder is 0 and our quotient is 119. Next is the part S. Compare the first digits. 7 ones are 7. Simply 7 minus 7 is 0, so bring this 8 down. 7 ones are 7 again. 8 minus 7 is, tell me students, 8 minus 7 is 1, so bring this 4 down again. This will become 14. 7 twos are 14. So students, 14 minus 14 is 0. Now students, what will be our quotient? Quotient will be 112. Next is the last part of our today's question. Compare the first digits. 6 ones are 6. Bring the 8 down here. 6 ones are 6 again. 8 minus 6 is 2. This 2 is smaller from my divisor, so I am bringing this 4 down. This will become 24. So students, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. Look, I get this number 24. 6 fours are 24. Here is the remainder 0. Now students, what will be our quotient? Our quotient will be 114. Look students, we have solved the question number 14, all the parts of question number 14 starting from the A part till the part T. Okay students, next question number 14 is your homework. You are going to solve it on your notebooks by yourself. Students, practice question number 14 and do question number 15 by yourself. Okay students, take care. Allah Hafiz.